We've been following the Sharon Mathews case for years, from the culvert where her little body was found to India, where she was adopted by an American family, through her father's trial and his sentence of life in prison. But it may not be over. Now we're learning about a potential appeal. I'm Chris Lawrence.
I'm Cynthia Isaguirre. Wesley Mathews pled guilty to injury to a child. He is serving a life sentence, but now his lawyers plan to seek a new trial. Jobin Paniker shows us why overturning his sentence is a long shot.
Sharon Mathews would have been 5 years old this week. A birthday card sits on a bench dedicated to her at Restland Cemetery. Just 3 weeks ago, her adoptive father, Wesley, pled guilty to a charge of injury to a child and was sentenced to life in prison. Attorneys for Wesley tell us they intend to appeal and that everything is on the table, including a motion for a new trial. David Finn has been a state prosecutor, a criminal trial judge, and now a defense attorney. He is not connected to this case.
Motions for new trial are very, very, very rarely granted.
Finn says appeals are granted for the most egregious trial mistakes. Wesley's attorney, Ralph De La Garza, could not say on what grounds they'll appeal.
Raphael is one of the best criminal defense lawyers in the state.
But he did not hide his opinion of a photo shown by the state of Sharon's badly decomposed body to the jury.
When you're dealing with a 3-year-old deceased girl, it's very difficult.
Statements De La Garza made the day of the verdict. The state says the decision to show the photo was not taken lightly.
I am sorry that I had to show that to the jury, but like I said, that's on Mr. Mathews.
Wesley's attorney says there may be multiple factors into the appeal. Finn says if there were many photos shown to sway the jury, that's a different story.
One photograph of the evidence, in this case it's horrific, toxic, prejudicial, powerful, which is why the state used it. One photograph like that is not grounds for a reversal, in my opinion.
The bench has become somewhat of a beacon. People over months and a year have added to this and witnessed every development of her story. In Dallas County, I'm Jobin Paniker.